Hi, I'm Hock Eng from Keysight Technologies. LoRa is a low-power wide area network wireless standard which is now commonly used in the IoT ecosystem. In our Keysight U3800 series IoT applied courseware, we have a module, IoT wireless communication, which cover these LoRa technologies. And in this video, I'm going to show a glimpse of the lab content regarding this LoRa wireless standard, and also to do some basic spectrum measurement such as the channel power and also the occupied bandwidth. This is the setup for the LoRa signal analysis demo. First, we have the U3800A IoT development kit powered and connected to the laptop. And here we have a LoRa module which is provided in the courseware as well. And we are running some basic program to transmit some LoRa pulses from the module. And finally, we are using the Keysight N9000B CXA signal analyzer to do some signal analysis. Let's measure the LoRa channel power using the CXA signal analyzer. The center frequency is 434 MHz with the span of 3 MHz. And the integration bandwidth is set to 250 kHz. And let's measure the channel power, and the result is shown over here. To measure the occupied channel bandwidth of the LoRa signal, the CXA signal analyzer frequency span is set to 400 kHz, and the occupied bandwidth setting is set to -3 dB, and this is the occupied bandwidth result, which is about 125 kHz. So, seeing is believing. Using the Keysight N9000B CXA signal analyzer to view and analyze the LoRa signal in this demo can really enrich your learning experience in the overall IoT wireless and communication module. Thank you for watching. For further information, please do visit our website.